Hi everyone and welcome back to this Python tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to set up our very own Python development environment. Be sure to follow all the steps which I explained thoroughly while you're trying to set your own environment up. So here I have my web browser open and I would just head to python.org and go to the Downloads tab and choose your operating system here. Now I'm using Windows, so I can select Windows from here, and Mac OS users can download the DMG file from here. For Linux, there are certain commands and I would have them on screen right now. Depending on your distro, enter any of these commands on your terminal. Now let's continue with the installation process for Windows. I'm going to go to this downloads page here, and now you would have to select the latest release. You can scroll down and then you would be able to find this x86 64-bit installer, and I would just select this one. Save file, and it's a small download. It should finish quickly. Till the time, we'll head on to code.visualstudio.com. So this is the tool that we would use to edit our code, and here download the one for your operating system. If you're on Linux, you can download the .deb or .rpm, and they also have a .tar.xz for Linux users. And I would just download for Windows. And here, save. Both the files have been downloaded. So first, we would be setting up our Python install. So I'll just click here, run, and now make sure that you check add python 3.8 to path. If you do not do that, you would have some issues. Just click here and install now, and you would be able to install it. While it's doing its thing, let's also set up Visual Studio Code. So you would click on this file right here, run, and accept the agreement, next, next, next. So I like to have the option to right click on a folder and open it with code, so I'll check these. I actually recommend that you do that. And next, and install. So it would install Visual Studio Code real quick. And once you've done that, just launch Visual Studio Code. And Python has also finished setting up meanwhile. So we'll just test if Python has been installed. So to test, search command prompt, and here type Python. And if you see this thing where it says Python 3.8.5 and you have these three arrow signs, then it means Python has been installed, and then you can just exit from here. If it has not been, then it means there is some issue. Now Visual Studio Code is opened here. Then you can click on this button right here, extensions, Ctrl+Shift+X, open it and search for Python. And when you search for it, this one is the one which you need to install, the one by Microsoft, and click on install. It's very small, so it finished very fast. And that's it about setting up your development environment. And I would see you in the next video. Goodbye.